So, welcome back and to this channel. And today we are diving into the mind blowing discovery that is completely changing how we understand the very first planet from Sun, Mercury. For decades, we have thought of Mercury as a dead, zoological, inactive world, a cosmic fossil. But what if everything we thought we knew was wrong? Now imagine a world which is bombarded by asteroid, scorched by sun, and utterly devoid of any internal zoological activity. That is the picture most of us have in our mind. And when we think of Mercury, right? So it is heavily cratered surface certainly gives that impression, looking much like moon, silent, unchanging, sentinel of inner solar system or solar system place. Now, zoologists and planetary scientists largely agreed that Mercury was done evolving. Its internal engine long since cooled and solidified. But science, as we know, is always evolving, and sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come from the unexpected place. Now, in this case, it came from artificial intelligence, especially which is advanced learning algorithms. Researchers task these algorithms with a shift through an astronomical amount of data collected by NASA's Messenger mission. This mission orbited Mercury for 4 years, that is from 2011 to 2015, capturing hundreds of thousands of images and reading. And that is where the story takes an incredible turn. The machine learning model, with its tireless, unbiased processing power, began to identify something human eye had constantly missed: hundreds of peculiar bright streaks on Mercury's surface. And take a look at this incredible visual representation of what AI discovered. Now, these aren't just any random marks. They are concentrated around features known as hollows. And these hollows, as we know now through this learning, are the key of Mercury's surprising secret. So what exactly are these bright streaks and hollows? Now, hollows are relatively shallow, irregular shaped depression on Mercury's surface, and first discovered by the Messenger's mission. And scientists actually initially suspected that they were formed by a rapid loss of volatile material from the surface, and think of it like a patch of ice which directly into vapor under direct sunlight, and this is the process which was going on. However, the sheer number and the distribution of these new bright streaks around the hollows strangely suggest something more dynamic, and they are of course an evidence of ongoing geological outgassing. So this is a monumental shift in our understanding. Outgassing is the process where the gases trapped within a planet's interior are released to the surface. Now, often these cracks and vents and other geological features, these gases come out on the surface. On Earth, we see this constantly with the volcanoes, geysers, and on Mercury, these outgassing isn't dramatic, but it is happening. This means that Mercury isn't a completely dead world with a solid inert interior, it is actually still possess some internal heat and zoological processes which are capable of driving these volatile material on the surface, and that finding, that implications are really very profound. Now, this discovery challenges long-held theories about how small rocky planets evolve. Conventional wisdom suggests that the planet the size of Mercury, with its relatively small mass, should be cooled down entirely billions of years ago. Now, a kind of a small body loses its internal heat much faster than the large one like Earth. Yet, these findings suggest that Mercury might have more complex internal structure or more potent supply of these volatile elements than we ever realized, we haven't thought. In fact, we were studying on opposite parameter of the Mercury. Now, it forcing planetary scientists to reevaluate their models of planetary formation and evolution. So, what exactly is leaking out of Mercury? Scientists believe that these volatile material, something like elements like sodium, potassium, and possibly even sulfur. So these elements, when exposed to harsh vacuum or sunlight of the space, could create the bright streak observed by AI, artificial intelligence. Now, this ongoing activity could also hint at presence of large reservoir of these volatile within the Mercury crust and mantle, making planet a far more interesting and dynamic place we previously gave its credit for. So, this isn't just about rock; it is about chemistry of planet formation itself. The story of Mercury is powerful testament to the value of both advanced technologies like machine learning and relentless scientific curiosity. Just when we think that we have figured out our cosmic neighborhood, a new discovery comes along and completely rewrites the textbooks. Right. So Mercury isn't just a dead rock, it is a planet with a pulse, subtly breathing out secrets that are challenging our deepest scientific assumption. So this machine learning breakthrough isn't just a win of artificial intelligence, it is a win of humanity's endless quest to understand the universe around us. So, what do you think about this incredible discovery? Does it change your perceptions of Mercury? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interesting discoveries, and hit the notification bell. So, don't just miss out cosmic adventures. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.